Here I have Realme 9 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or the series of photos on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, and in the photo mode just hold down shutter button, and after that it will take the burst shot. Only up to 20 shots. As you can see, we can view these shots here. And here I have these 20 shots. Okay, let me just take another shot because this one is not that good. Just hold down. And as you can see, here we have this burst shot, and we can view its photos like this. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.